Hi Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 15th of March. Gemini, let's see what is in your... Wait. Let's see what's in your messages today, Gemini. The Lovers card. Gemini. See what's in your reading today. The Emperor. Oh, hi Gemini. Okay, you're coming out strong. Okay, so I'm seeing business is going great, Emperor. I'm getting you're in a good mood. You're in a good mood today. You're feeling extra nice. I'm getting humming. Are you humming? You ever hear a man hum? If you ever hear a man hum, that means him happy. Men don't hum. Not hump. Hum. We're getting you. Are you listening to the radio? I'm getting you're listening to the radio. I'm getting you in a nice mood. You're in a great mood, Gemini. Good for you. Usually emperors are very stressed. I'm getting you like the stress. I'm getting you like responsibility. Getting you taking care of something. Getting you like it, Gemini, the Emperor. We have the Ace of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting, all right. Okay, let's continue the reading. So we have something about a Leo here, the Ten of Pentacles. Then we also have the Page of Pentacles. So, okay, so Gemini, are you, okay, I'm getting something about you being attracted to a Leo. You might be attracted to someone who is in the family of someone else, Gemini. I'm not sure if you're looking on pictures online, or I'm getting you're sending money, Gemini, to a Leo woman. I'm getting you and a Leo woman is having sex. Or I'm getting you and a Leo woman is texting. Maybe she's sending you pictures. I feel like you're talking to someone in someone's family, Gemini. But I'm getting you're attracted to this Leo. No, she might be okay, so when I say Leo, Leo could be Sun. They're born in July, August. Leo could also be them rising. Because I'm getting somebody come off cocky and confident and you like it. But them don't come off cocky and confident to you. Also, with the Leo card here, that talks about somebody not being afraid. Like they're not scared. We're getting it like that someone's not scared. Or something about... I don't know, I feel like you're like... Okay, let's continue reading. Okay, so on top of that, Gemini, I see you here something about, are you a mentor or a caregiver for a teenager? Because we're getting, you decide for adopt, or you're mentoring, making a teenager. We're getting you starting a new relationship, and it's like you're saying that this 18-year-old, 17-year-old cannot live with me anymore. I'm not sure if it's your son's son, is if your friend's son, or we're getting somebody who you was taking care of or living with you. You're saying to yourself you're gonna abandon them because of this new relationship. Is your son 17-year-old? They can't even make fucking dinner for themselves. Boys, good luck. Good fucking luck. Sometimes the girl, they move out. The mom move out early. Okay, mom, you move out early. That's why sometimes the place them don't clean when you go for the girl's house. Jesus Christ, the man them, the place will clean. But God knows what they're eating. Instant noodles. Microwavable stuff. God help them. Anyways, it's like me getting a saying, okay, I'm an older man now, I'm dating, so you have this. Me getting is a family member of yours that's younger than you. No, maybe me getting you live with a younger family member and you're scared that the girl. Ooh. This message has been sponsored by Hydro Canada. Hydro Canada makes it affordable for Canadians to pay not only electricity bill, but water bill, charging Canadians twice as much for the same fucking service. Hydro Canada, even though they're generating electricity from hydro, which is water, you're paying 2 bills. Anyways, yeah, so back to what I'm saying. I'm getting you want your son to move out because you're afraid your younger girlfriend attracted to him. Sir, if she go and fuck your son in the house, she will fuck anything. Having a son there, that don't make no sense. Am I getting you going to tell your son to leave? Is she trying to kick out your son because when they can't have sex? Gagar. So your son won't hear the noises of we don't know what. Because I'm getting you want your son may be moving out to college, maybe your son boarding. If him do not want to board, do not make him board. Because I'm getting you try to get your son out. Oh, you have a college, your son don't listen. You see when man want to leave, they will leave you. They leave you with a ring on your finger, they will leave you with a baby in your stomach. Okay, your son. Me getting if your son is going off to college or your son, because me getting him getting money. Him don't want to leave the house. Why you force him to leave? You want space? Maybe. You don't have second cottage. Go to second cottage, go fuck. Me getting your son have a lot of money, but there's something about him feeling forceful, like get out, rent him own place. Me don't know how old him is. Him don't want to leave home. Why you forcing him to leave? Him don't want to leave. Maybe him don't have a girlfriend. When him get girlfriend and want to be independent, him will leave. Me getting you force him out. Him don't want to leave. Him not ready. I don't know how old he is, but me getting you have a new girlfriend now. Gemini, so be mindful. Me kind of say that somebody goes to school here. Yeah, okay, so I'm also, yeah, me getting you helping out this woman, Gemini. 4 of Wands, yeah. Me getting you really like this one. Me getting you love feel, not powerful, but you love feel in a, Gemini, something turn you on. I don't know what to say. The High Priestess, and we also have the Ace of Swords, the Devil. Maybe you have a new woman. She's an evil. I don't know if this. I don't feel like she's evil. But if you live with your son or you live with a baby, she cannot tell the daughter to move out because she's there with you. She cannot tell the daughter that. She cannot tell the son, even if the daughter have 24. If the daughter and the son don't want to move, do not make your new girlfriend tell her to move. Some man, when them get girlfriend, them put them girlfriend over them kids. Even if if the kids wasn't theirs from the beginning, Jesus Christ, the kids got through hell, them have to move out. Me getting you have money, you probably get the son money. The son do not want to move out. Leave him alone. Why you force him to move out? If it's a girl, leave her alone. She will, when she find boyfriend, she will want to sleep over in yard and move out. But me getting for now, you kinda, I don't know, Gemini, I don't know what you want. I'm getting also something about her. Gemini, I'm gonna say something. I feel like you don't mind sharing somebody. Snap out of it. You're the Emperor. You do not share. Come getting you saying to yourself, you're older, somebody younger. You know what? It's reality. It's okay. No, the fuck it's not. Reality is majority of the people are broke. That's the fucking reality. Emperor. Come getting you saying to yourself, you know what? We'll just use somebody for the happiness. You don't share. Not the Emperor. Others can share, not you. We have Virgo. Something about a Virgo. We have Aries. That's the Emperor, right? The head. You only have one head. You have 2 arms, 2 boobs, 2 balls, 2 feet. You don't share. You don't have 2 heads. You do not share. And I'm getting you saying, oh, you know what? I like this person. Ace of Wands, 3 of Wands. You're waiting on an invite. Maybe you're saying that you're waiting on an invite because somebody may already be somewhere. You don't share, Emperor. You do not share, sir. Gemini. The others can share. The others can get fucked on. You don't share. Snap out of it. One more. We have religious agenda. Exactement. Worse, you're doing your diligent duties, Emperor. You don't share religious. Not you. Not even the Capricorn. Not even the devil. That hold on to you. Not even the devil shares. No, you don't share. I'm going to leave it here, Gemini. Until next time. Bye.